Hi guys, ninjani? Guys, bengithi ngizoya live on TikTok ne, but because of I'm not in a fight, angeke ngikwenze lokho. Maybe I can do that after this video, and then nakhona it depends. It's gonna depend because of ngizolandela ngizobona ngama-comment wenu actually ukuthi kumele ngiye live or kanjani. Guys, I have a couple of years ngisebenza neMojalaf. I signed a contract each and every season I do now. I receive all my money that they're giving me on contract every season. I signed a contract now. Guys, I don't know this season kube ibhadi lami or ibhadi lethu. This thing sonke sayibona, but I didn't know ukuthi personally izoyenzeka kimi. Angikhulumi ngabanye and futhi angifuni ufaka umuntu. So khuluma straight ngami. Guys, during the season it happens ukuthi umama agule. It happens ukuthi usisi wami agule. So ngacabanga ngathi okay, sicedile ukushootha. They paying us and they paying us kahle imali yethu. So I realized ukuthi everything seyingaphezu kwamandla ami. How about ngifonele abaphathi bami ba release imali yami yonke so that ngikhona ukuhandle isituation esisekhaya. Okay, fine. It happens ukuthi ngibafonele. Okokuqala kwaqale kwagula umntwana kamalumama. Umntwana kamalumama makagula, I had to ukuthi like because of I was around them and bangicela ukuthi yazi mntakama because when uyasebenza umntwana uyambona ukuthi unjani cela ungisize. It happened ukuthi ngibasendele ama picture vele ngile eclinic ngiyobona umntwana bhalela ukuphefumula because ekhaya kithi sonke sisafara because of asthma, everyone ifamily. So umntwana bekaphefumula ngemobilize. I had to ukuthi ngitshele my PM ukuthi yazi nginenkinga esonde. So I even send them ama pictures. Ngithi how come, how about imali yami kuyakhonakala ukuthi njengoba sicedile ukushootha ni release because already maseyidlala surely ama episode wonke approviwe. Seniyazi ukuthi how much mele sithole, nathi we know how much mele sithole. So how about maybe ngiphi half, maybe a half futhi, then ngikhona ukusettle izinto zami ekhaya because imali yakancane yenzisana ikoloto. And especially manigulelwa, you have to pay transport, you have to go to keep a logo, you have to go to thenga izinto kancane izinto ezikanjalo. They said to me akukhonakali. That's okay, fine. So kuzoyenzakalani ke? Athi no, angeke kukhonakala. That was uThulu khuluma naye. Okay, sharp. Sidlula isikhathi leso umntwana be right, ngisafara khona ngivale ngale imali engivala ngayo. And imagine into engizonitshela yona ningayazi mina ekhaya kithi I'm a breadwinner. Ekhaya kithi everyone ubheke mina. And I was enjoying that because of ngiyathi angifuni ukubona abantu basekhaya mina bahlupheka. So it happened ke ukuthi umama wami nosisi wami naye bagule at the same month, at the same week, and like ugula serious. After that I had ukuthi abona manje ngichange umuntu omunye angisafoneli lo, ngifonela right straight umuntu omele ngimfonele. I call Ulive one because of I text Julia, my producer, and mangimtexta like he was blue ticking me. Into yangizwisa ubuhlungu after ngi-blue ticka, there is a time azofuna i-episode yami akhohlwe i-date. I was like, lo muntu lo ungifonela kanjani angibuza umsebenzi wakhe, but mina if ngimtexta ngifuna usizo uyangi-blue tick. Mina ngiyababhora musi labantu laba, and then if ngichashiwe ekhampanini yabo nginenkinga mele ngiyiraise kubani, because bayangi-blue tick. Okay, fine. It happens with babona ukuthi manje serious, because each and everything engiyikhulumayo kuze bayibelieve I have to ukuthi ngisende i-proof. And mina mangawakhuluma, that's the thing eyangizwisa ubuhlungu ke, nokuthi nakusasa if they decide ukuthi bangi-stretch out bangasangifake emashowini abo angeke ngizwe ubuhlungu, because vele abangi-appreciate. There is a lot of sin ebangishuta zona mina ezihambelana ngqo nempilo yami ezingasi amanga. Ayikho into ebathi ngiyenze ngingayenzi noma into ebayidinga kimi ngingabaphi yona. Fine. After ngibaprovelile ukuthi mama mina nosisi wami abekho right, I asked them ukuthi ngicela ukuthi no matter imali le enizonginika yona nikhipheni emalini yami my outstanding balance esele. Okay, they agree with that. Bangisendele 40,000. The 40,000 ngibafonele ngibonge, mangiceda ngibasendele nama message ukuthi ngiyabonga, and then sengisharp manje. But imali engiyitholile 40,000. They said to me, yeah, imali yakho iphelele. I was like, no, ayiphelelanga. Imali yami ayiphelelanga. Imali le mina engiyisebenzele, le mina nani sisene ngayo, ayiphelelanga. They sent me a paper. Iphepha lakhona libhaliwe episode banibani, episode banibani. Angil understand because of angilazi ngiqala ukulibona. And if bangisendela lona ekuqaleni, I don't think bengizovuma mina ukubuyela e-TV. Not after izinto engizenzile ezinye engazifuni ngempilo yami. But because of umsebenzi wami bengiwuthanda and ngiba appreciate nawo ngiu-appreciate ngingenendaba because of bengisebenza and bengiyithola imali. But manje if kuzoba so, no, angifuni ngami mina. Into engiyifuna kibo imali yami, because I don't want to go deep. Yes, good. They have threats always against us. Mangabe kunento singayithandi ukuthi yana bayi company enkulu bona, they will do what and what. Ndalo wait. Shh. I know ukuthi like kunento eziningi. Yeah, bazonixosha. Niyamazi Aubrey yaxoshana in umuntu umxosha kanjani, umxoshela into obona nawe ukuthi le into ngabe siyayilungisa and then i-company ikhule siqhubeke ngempilo. Guys, I remember ngihamba nomntwana ngiyoshuta i-DNA scene mina. Umntwana wami angakawisi inongwane asesemncane. You can go back to that scene. That time kwaqala ama-drama ukuthi akusana ama-SNT, we have to ukuthi sithenge ukudla where wara. I stay for a long time. Ngiphume endlini nge-content yaka 10, but ngiphume endlini ngo-8 o'clock ekuseni. Ngihamba nabantwana bami ngiyoshuta ama-DNA. That time I didn't eat. Cabangani ngadla ebusuku ngesini yokugcina yaka Kim no Dabula no Maseko. They went to a tavern or a pub, I don't remember, but you can go to that scene. Angizange ngabalabala ngathi bengilambile bengisebenza, because of we've got that thing ukuthi emsebenzini sisebenza kanzima. But after lento bangenza yona manje, le bangenza yona or bazitshela ukuthi sebangiyenzile, angifuni ngami. And it's not only me okhala so. It's just that some of them, they are afraid to talk. basaba ukuzimela, basaba ukuzikhulumela. They forgot ukuthi banama right. So I still demand that my outstanding balance. Nothing much I want. And for a sake yokuthi mina ngihambe manje ngiye ku social media, it's because of I talk to them. Bayang blue tick. Guess what now? Ulifung blockile. It seems like yena is in a fight. Le mina engayazi. I even moved la ekhaya ngiyohlala kibo mngani wami eMamelodi because of bebase basidemanda nemali transport, but i-contract ibhaliwe ukuthi i-transport kumele iphume inland inise la nishuthela khona. Angifuni nokungasho ukuthi they know ukuthi what's happening between Maseko's family in. I don't want to talk that things guys la. Angifuni ukumoshela abantu or ngimoshela i-company or in, because angilwi. But I don't want to go deep. Ukuthi kuloku naloku benisicabangela na. If usazile ukuthi sisebenzela isent leli esilitholile manje. No, it's painful guys. And yes, there is something engifuna ukuyazi, maybe angi understand or njani. I believe ukuthi i-contract mabaloko bayi-renewer the company, meaning you are doing better. I believe ukuthi i-contract the mall i-renewer nenza izinto ezi-right, imali must increase. So guys, ngizwa ubuhlungu guys. Please share this video. Maybe abanye benu angeke sibone ngilihleli one. Yabona yokuthi ngibhale email ngikhuluma istory sami officeini or ngicontactane ne-HR yami or iboss yami akungisebenzeli. As soon as bangiblocker, it's clearly ukuthi bona yini ebaphezukwayo or bona abanasesikhathi. Yabona abanye ngeke ngibakhulumele ngoba mangingabakhulumela maybe abanye basawudinga lo msebenzi. Mina I don't think ngiyawudinga because I don't think ngibalulekile kibo. If bengibalulekile bebangeke bangenze lento abangenza yona. And nalaba bengisebenza nabo this season, if they gonna calculate imali yabo babatshele ukuthi imali iphelele, no one is gonna react because of ama threats esiwatholayo inside. Akusafuna ukukhuluma ngomntwana abantu uDabula ke yena he feels like he desperate too much because of uzoyapi angana ID. Uzoyapi because of mele enye nenye into ebayishoyo noma it must be abinge ukuthi each and every year kose bamsign so that azokhona ukuphila. uDabula una opportunities amaningi. The worst thing bazositshela ukuthi you can't go to the broadcasters, you can't do this, you can't do this because of you are our person. Le batho ba rena re batho ba lena bjang le ropa siba bantu benu kanjani ningasithandeli amanye ama opportunities. Bese when it comes to money kuba nezinto ezifana nalezi. I'm done. After I'm going to live on TikTok because of me. Okay, fellow South Africans, as nibonile i-video yami ngisho ngithi angihambi ngiyi-1 and isikhala sonke kanye nento eyi-1 as bese nginiphila amaphuzu ukuthi iMoja Love ayisikhathi.
South Africans, iMoja Love ithi ihamba isiza abantu of which yonke lento abayenzayo laphana on screen ayikho. They just go and bribe people. Even namanje bachitha imizi yabantu ngale show yaJola 99 of which last week they were bebase PE of which a PE abantu ababashuthile bonke bababhadala ama 1.5. Nikuthatha phi lo? Kuseza kusasekuncane engisakuletha ama highlights. Nase Kempton Park they know ukuthi kwenzakaleni. and I still have in i-proof yayo yonke leyo nto leyo. So manje okunye okulandelayo la bangisendele ama-letter of which ama-letter bengithreatenishwa bathumele u-operator uthumele i-puppet yakhe of which i-puppet yakhe uBrandon, right? Wangisendela i-letter of which akasena access yokungifonela u-operator, akasena access yokungifonela u-Archie, second puppet ka-operator u-Archie, uyangithola? So manje njengoba size la asisithi sodwa abakhalayo ngeMoja Love sibaningi. I've spent 6 years ngisebenza eMoja Love, but okuningi nizokuza ku-podcast, nizokuza emaphepheni. Kwamanje kusasa ama-highlights, ngiyabona.
Enough is enough South Africa. Moja Love like yasiyuza kakhulu. Isizile njengoba bashilo bafowethu sibaningi esikhalayo. So sifuna ukuthi kuphele yonke imvelo basendayo. Siqhubeke kakhulu, siluze nempilo zethu. And then thina bakhona ukuhamba ba-bribe abantu, bakhona ukudonate abantu njengale bayikhiphe 250,000 bantwana nabashonile. Mara bona bahluleka ukubhadala thina ku7,000 lesibasita ukuthi bona bakhona ukuphumelela, baphumelela ngathi. So lokuningi sokukhuluma ku-podcast.
So mina engikubuzayo, iMoja Love ine-show bathi sikhipha ama-file, but ama-file wabo asendlini awakaveli. So yithi-ke sizonivezela wona-ke Mzansi. Game on. Moja Love asihlanganeni siboneni-ke manje.
Besides ama-file wabo abolile guys. Durban, where are you? Cape Town, where are you?
Kunabantu eDurban abalahlekelwe imisebenzi ngendaba yeMoja Love, basebenzisa izinto zasemsebenzini ukuthi bashute kuma-contact. Namhlanje bahlela abasebenzi. Ngibuya kancane.
Bahlukene namakhampani wabo anzima ekubeka bakhulisela abantwana ezindlini zabo because of fake content. See, Sugar Mommy, there was a lady obeka driver i-truck. That lady his bamskemile. She was scammed because of iMoja Love. Namhlanje i-company imthrowe out ushanyela iskontiri ucosha amaphepha, izingane zilambile, izingane azidli, then they don't care, abasena ndaba bona because of bakutholile abakufunayo kuye babenefitile the way babenefite ngakhona inside the office. Now as we speak
asivali sizoqhubeka kuseza.
Siyabuya.
Sisazodlula South Africa, nisazozwa kusasekuncane lokho. Sisaya phambili, sizosuka manje sizoya ku-embassy yase South Africa, sikwazi ukuhlangana namanye ama-embassy ngendaba eyenzeka, bayazi ukuthi kwenzeka. Ilethe yakhona ngisasenayo. Siyabonga.
Hey guys, ninjani? Ngiphilile. Njengoba ningadi igama ngikanyeza ngithi. And then ngitela ku-TikTok into ngitshela ngenzaba yami neMoja Love. Ngendlela basenda ngayo iMoja Love idlalele kakhulu ngathi guys. Uma hlala entabeni into la ikhuluma ke maciniso yonke. Ayikho into lengaseliciniso, so ningathi hayi amanga iciniso into la ikhulumako. Last year because bengisolo ngekho kuleyo nakuMoja Love bangibizile futhi bathi bangidinga, and then mathalent amangidinga nemali kamaningi, so bangidinga Moja Love bangihlopha ngikuphi ngempilo, and then ngabachazela ukuthi mina ngimove on ngempilo. So ngimove on ngempilo, impilo yami ichubekile, nginemuntu ngihlala emzini wami like ngi-right la ngikhona nemuntu wami. So bathi fune kushutha nami. Okay, ngavuma nami because songini guys niyazini sifuna imali, umsebenzi wami since ngicala kushutha nawe ishutha kahle. So sashuta ubeza basayinisa ama-contract kwaba right, savumelana ngendlela sivumelene ngayo solo look. Okay, sashuta sacetha last season nami ngileya ye-engagement nale abantwana, and then ne-miscarriage, kuthi ngithole miscarriage. So sacetha ukushuta lapho-ke last year ngithi say this year ngaboma April basibiza futhi, and then saya ku boardroom bathi fune sibuyele ku-show bazosendela ama-contract wathi thina siyenza ngomnyaka vele yazini siyenza, uyakubona, soshutha basidinga. Okay, savumelana vele ibiyani lesami ibhodroom bathi ngize nomuntu wami vele ngeza naye uma ngekuthi wayewambiza ngeza naye, and then kwaba right, savumelana ngayo yonke into. And then after basenda ama-contract, nabasenda ama-contract nabayisenda i-contract akusasi main cast, it's a supporting cast guys, main cast to supporting cast kuye kwenteka kuphi lokho-ke. And thina sititering from ukudala sine-content, ngiyazi ukuthi siya like sine-content ukuthi sijabulise abantu. So imali khona seyihlile ayisafani naye last year, cabanga. And then mina ngamthetho ngazi ukuthi now sign i-contract ngeminyaka yakhuphuka imali uthi nakhuphula ngini nabo bathola imali ngathi badla ngathi yonke indzawo. So okay, sayisayina ngavuma for ukuthi indawo thini imali angithi fanele ngisebenze umsebenzi wami, and umsebenzi wami bengiwuthanda, ebiyani benganamahloni ngawo, whatever lebe ngenda bengijabulela. Okay, wahamba iloyana inyanga sishuthile bona, sashutha ngabiza ngashutha nogobela wami, shutha nabantu abami, umntwana wami nishutha bamvusela amanceba, izinto lezi zenzeke ukuthi abusekile lebeka khona. And then ngashutha nemuntu wami abomamezala nogogo, and bonke labantu engishutha nabo bathembisa ukuthi bazobapha something, bazohola nabo. Banigobela wami bamtshela ukuthi hayi nakuphela ilo kuzothoma kuzocala khole bonkanyisi, and then inyanga yesithuku yohola wena. Cabanga ngisuse umuntu omdala sihambise soshutha sekuphi siyimisele nale tomdala nenyanga honest. Okay, I khambe imalanga ke maybe sengishuthe maybe ngathi bo 10 episodes. Sibizwe ofisini, asibizwe ofisini bathi kunale senze khona wrong. Okay, sabuke lo-ke maseko athina ya yena amadoda thina sida namadoda eshowini ethu, ishow le yahle simehlisa sithune ngamadoda ethu, so amadoda ethu akafunakali. So thi maseko bani ukuhamba emuva kwethu ekhuluma izinto emoja love, shothi bangafuni umuntu wami. And ngiyibona ukuthi hayi uyambona ukuthi uhlakaniphe, umuntu wamhlakaniphile, and then ehlaniphile, so une content eningi, sine content eningi, and as fake guys, shooter i-reality, asifani nabanye ukuthi baya-fake ezinye izinto, thina shooter i-reality show. So hayi kwakhulunywa laphana bathi yana bazosifonela nasiceda khuluma bathi sizonifonela izolungiseka. Hayi sibuye ekhaya kuhambe emalanga man, kashuthiwe bashutha abantu. So la ngibuye ene umuntu ebakhuluma i-producer yethu Jules athi ngizonifonela, angafoni. Ngithi ngimsendela message angiblutik, ngisendela le message angiblutik, abanginaki. Uthi ngalenye ilanga bathi hayi uyoshuta umlodo, hayi ngihambe guys uyoshuta umlodo. Okay, kibe right ngibuye. And then sukusela lapho-ke angasashuthi bangasangibide bese kusena episode lamancane ukuthi ngicede. Okay, ngibone i-video shows abayi-advertiser, and then ena angiveli ngishuthe kangaka, ngihluphe abantu bangaka ukuthi hayizini siyashuta, ngicela ukuthi sishutheni abantu abadala. Ay ngibone show siyadlala nakukhola nakholo, and then ngathoma sahola, and then banginika 8,000 yokucala, and then kwagcineka lapho ngathola imali. Ngathi sengiyabuta ngibethe ngifonela lo akabasaphenduli mafoni yafonela abendani ngagcina ngasenda i-email lalaba khulu from Moja Love. Yahlala maybe email akhona bo 5 days solo bangangiphenduli. Yabuya bathi bona ya si lo yana i-contract yakhe iphelile. Hawu iphela kanjani? Ngishuthile up my episode engashuthile why angadlali kanjani guys? Bathi ayikho into le lengizoyithola ngamane ngiye phambili because of ngisayine contract ngivume contract kambe iphela ngoJuly njani. Yo sidlaliwe Moja Love guys, sidlalile. So ngizinto la angazi asazi ukuthi senze njani. So sifuna usizo ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sende njani. Ibani kuningi because of iMoja Love idlala ngabantu baningi, abantu abakhalayo, abanye ibilani basho nabantwana basho nalomunye nje bakusasa bamgcwaba. ngeMoja Love iropa abantu yasiropa kumbe bathatha an advantage because of thina sibofamjule especially ngisho ukuthi maybe ngifamjule chat hayi alona ngikayenzawo lo kodwa hlala nje so sikhathele guys, sikhathele kakhulu, isiropi kakhulu iMoja Love. And labanye basaba kuvela because of basaba ukuthi maybe ba-threatnisha cause ungathi uyakhuluma batshela ukuthi hayi bazokubonisa bazobona ukuthi benza njani cause bakujwayele lokho. Ayikho umuntu esizokhuluma naye njengoba bachaza amahla entabeni azokhuluma naye bamblock nokumblock. So guys into le like sesikhathele. Yes siyawufuna umsebenzi so no lokwendeka akwendeki because of badlalile ngathi kakhulu guys. Yiko lesifuna ukuthi ngisharele kona sibonisane ukuthi singenda njani mara asihlala ngicethanga la sibhizi nge-life life ngiyangena bese life nje kuseni. So ngisaya phambili noma broadcasting sabo. So bengithi nje no ngitshele yona leyo kuningi guys, kuningi kakhulu, kuningi. So kwamanje ngiloko. Thank you.